Alright, good morning fellow refrigeration technicians. Got an Dixel Emerson XR20CH controller here. There you go, there's the model number. And I have the operating or the installing and operating instruction manual. Instructions also manual. Looking at this, looks like we have a lower model, which is the XR10CH, than what I have the XR20CH. Got the general warning here, general description, VTC. Alright, hotkey, programmable by hotkey, which I have that. Dual map feature, controlling loads, cooling. Okay, got that. And also use this on a heating application. Here's the front panel design, and the commands. There you go. Set is basically the enter button. Up and down is to adjust the temperature or adjust the menu. Defrost not enabled. I don't know why it says not enabled, because it's enabled on my XR20. Alright, you get the switch button. This one doesn't have a switch button. It has a sleep button right here. The light's not enabled. Okay, here we go to commands to get into programming mode. To lock and unlock the keyboard, press the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. That's basically press and hold. Right here to enter in programming mode, press set and down arrow buttons. Basically press and hold for like 5 seconds, and then do it again until you get to a second parameter. And set and up arrow button is basically it's like pressing a back button. Use of LEDs. Alright, maximum minimum temperature. This is where it gets confusing right here. Press and release. That button right there is basically a up button. It's either up or down. I don't know where they printed this instruction manual, but it doesn't make sense. I believe it's low, because it says low right here. That low message will be displayed. I mean, that means it's down arrow. Alright, how to see the max temperature. Press and release the, there you go. There's another confusing button right here. Well, that should be up arrow, I believe, and the high message will be displayed. Alright, get more over here. Main functions. How to see the set point. Okay, all we gotta do is to see the set point is you just hit set button and it will display the set point. How to change the set point. Alright, what we see here is changing from Celsius to Fahrenheit. No, not sure where. That's as I was. That's what the press set point actually is. It will be on my video. Here is another confusing buttons right here. So the O will be the set, and the N is the down arrow button right here. It's confusing how they wrote this instruction manual, but I have a video showing how to change the minimum or the lower set point. How to change the parameter value. That will be covered on a different video. The hidden menu. So the hidden menu is in second parameter basically. It's easy. How to lock the keyboard. Alright, just press and hold up and down arrow. That will lock the keyboard. To unlock, same thing, press and hold up and down arrow for a few seconds and it will unlock. The on and off function. Well, this one has a sleep button. See right here, sleep button. Parameters. We got different parameters here and what they means. There's a shortcut in the back. Here we go. These are default setting values. All these parameters here. Starting with set point, HY is differential, LS is minimum set point, or I call it lower set point, and the US is maximum set point, the upper set point, the OF, a lowercase, is thermostat probe calibration. I believe that's OT. Yeah, that's OT, not OF. Thermostat probe calibration. P3P is third probe presence. O3 through 4 and so on. You get all these parameters here. Here's the wiring diagram or schematic diagram, how you wire it. It's very simple. Here's the switch, your line input, the output to the compressor, and the supply. It's only rated at 120 to 120 volts, 50-60 hertz. It's compatible. And here are your sensors. The number 12 is your room temperature sensor. 11 is common. 9, I use 9 as my defrost. And also there's a 10 here. You can on an XR20 you can use it for your this will be your EBAP, and number 9 will be your is a switching. Number 9 can be your condenser sensor. Right? It will terminate the relay if it detects a temperature that's too high in the setting, whatever you program that setting. Alright, there we go. We got the alarms here. P1, what it means when you see P1. P1 is when your room sensor is not functioning properly or something wrong with this with the connection. P2 will be like your evaporator outlet temp, because we use the P2 for our outlet temp on the EBAP. And P3 we use it on our condensing side. It's for I'm talking about thermal products. We don't have P4. HA is when you hit your maximum temperature alarm. I'll put on change. And LA, I've never seen LA, but that's when you reach your minimum temperature alarm. It's very cold, like way too low. HA2 is a condenser high temperature. When you have a high pressure on the outlet of that condenser, or it gets too hot, HA2 will be displayed. Causes of this are like restriction or restriction on the high side. It's basically what I normally see. LA2 never really experienced that. That's when a condenser is low temperature. Lowercase d and uppercase A is door open. I normally don't see that. EA, external alarm. Another alarm that I don't normally see. CA is related to pressure. Alright, so here's more technical data about the controller, and like I said, the connections. Here's the schematic. What else do we have here? Alright, here's the connector that normally used on this controller. This is the controller that can be plugged in the back. We'll use these clips when we mount it. Electrical connections, probe connection. So basically, there's a lot of information on this single piece of manual. All right, that's it.